Hello guys, welcome to Prevailing Media. Today I'll be teaching you how to create a creative poster design using Ronaldo in his new uniform. So first of all, open your Pixellab. Then after opening it, go to this white template over here. At the end, after clicking on this white template, then click on this plus over here. Then click on from gallery. Don't worry, every document used will be available in the description. Then click on this Al NASA logo. After clicking on, just adjust it. Then after adjusting it, lock it. Then click on this plus again. Then go to from gallery. Then pick this. Then click this picture. This picture will be available in the description. Then after picking on this, just enlarge it more like this. Do it like this. Then go to this shape like this. Then go to color filter. Then off it like this. Just make it -80 and saturation -100, and then that's hue for -180. Then yeah, then lock it. Then lock it. After locking it, then go to plus again. Then click on this shapes. Then adjust it like this, as you can see. Then after adjusting it, click on this, go to the color, then click on this plus. After clicking on this, click on this thing over there. Then after clicking on this, click on this blue something, or you can click on this blue. You can choose one out of it. After choosing one out of it, then click on OK. So then you get this. After getting this, then you can enlarge it small. So then click and then rotate it like this. And adjust it like this. Then click on lock it, then click on plus again. Then click on this thing. Then go to color again, then click on then on it, then click on this white button, or you can go to this page, then click on yellow. Then I think the yellow will be good. Then after clicking, then click on OK. Then you have this. After having this, then lock it, then click on, go to here, then copy it again. Then you have this blue something. Then put it like something like this. Then you get something like this. So you can move this thing small, this one small, and move it up. Get something like this, then mark it. Then move this yellow something, sorry, then above it, and you get something like this. Then merge everything together, the three of it. After merging it together, you get something like this. Then move it to the back of the picture, this Ronaldo picture. And after doing like that, then copy this, then do it like this. You can please then this too. Sorry. The thing need to be a bit small. Then you use the size small like this to 60. Then click on this, then reduce it to 60 also. Reduce it to 60. Get something like this. Then you can see you get something like this. Then click on this thing again. Then go to merge. Click on that Ronaldo picture. Then go to merge. Go to mask. Then adjust it like this. Then you can do it like this. Then this place is removed already. Then you get something like this. After doing that, then go to plus again. Then go to from gallery. Then click on this picture. Then click on this small something. We only need this small, this something. Then you see, you get something like this. As you can see, you can move this Ronaldo picture up. don't mind, just click on this, then move upward, then you get something like this. Then adjust this to be a little bit bigger, then go to shadow. Yeah, then adjust it small to 6. Just follow the procedure, then you get something like this. Then click this, you can merge it together, then go to shadow, then you can reduce this to 6. Yeah, then move this Ronaldo picture, this yellow thing, you move it up back, then you get something like this. After doing that, just lock it, then go to shape, then click on circle. Sorry, please. Then you click on circle. After clicking on circle, click on um, black, then make it smaller, then like this. Sorry, then you get something like this, then make it smaller a little bit, then move it here, then go to 3D rotate, you get something like this, then move it like this, then go to opacity, then reduce it like this. After releasing, you go to shadow, then make it like this, click on, you can click it like this, then make it like this. Go to here, then move it at this back like this, then make it a little bit below it like this, then you get something like this. So then just lock it, then your work is ready. Then go to plus, then click on text, then write Ronaldo, or you can write CR7, anything you like. Well, for me, I will be writing Ronaldo. Then sorry, this is not this. So then click on OK, then move it a little bit smaller like this, then go to the A, click on that A button, then go to font. For me, I will be using um I will be using this thing. You can use any any font you like, then click on color, then click on this yellow something, then make it a little bit bigger. You can use black if you like, you can use any color, you can use green, or no, maybe we should use blue. You can use something like this, then you get something like this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you, then you get something like this, then click on this save, then save it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.